How to make a playlist on SoundCloud. Open the SoundCloud application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here SoundCloud has been opened. Tap on the library icon that you can see at bottom. Now you can access your library over here. Tap on the option playlists. You can see all of your playlists over here. Tap on the option create playlist. Enter the playlist title over here. If you want to make the playlist public, toggle on this option for make public. Otherwise, toggle off this button. Tap on the option save. Now the playlist has been created. You can see the suggestions over here. Tap on the plus icon right next to the song that you want to add to the playlist. You can also search for this specific song and add it to the playlist as you listen to it. Now you can see over here the tracks have been added to the playlist. Like this, you can make playlist on SoundCloud. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.